Welcome to Freevision VILTA-SE user guide. VILTA-SE has a plenty of smart functions. Tap the tracking button. Select object from the screen. VILTA-SE smart tracking function will automatically smart track your object and follow the movement. For the convenience of selfie, we can also use the smart tracking system with the front camera. Activate the beauty mode in camera setting. You can adjust the white skin degree to get the instant beauty effect. VILTA-SE can also do the dolly zoom effect. Enter dolly zoom effect in camera setting. Set up the zooming and focus parameters at the starting and ending points. Then set up the video length. Press start to start shooting. Then, you can shoot the dolly zoom video with a simple forward and backward movement. To make a spectacular rotation shot, you can turn on the Imagine action in the camera setting. Level VILTA-SE in semi-follow mode. Push the joystick to left or right direction. Phone camera will make the rotate movement in the center point.